Welcome to the video on how to use online repositories in the Minitab Solution Center. The Minitab Solution Center integrates with Microsoft OneDrive and Google Drive. You can sign into these repositories from the home page. You can choose to have autosave on or off by default, and set the location where to save your files. You can open a file directly from a repository on the home page, open a local file, or you can start a blank project by opening an application directly. If you've not chosen to autosave your files or you are not yet signed into a repository, you will notice a warning at the top of the application window. If that happens, select the down arrow to sign into a repository and name your file. When you are working on a project and are signed into a repository, you can rename the file, move it to a different location within the repository, or share the file. For more information about our Minitab products, go to minitab.com.